Are you on a hunt for some easy ways to make extra money? Well, look no further, because in this video, we are going to share exactly how you can get paid to watch videos. You should definitely get paid to watch videos online. Whether you are a movie buff or always watching videos online, why not make some extra cash while you do it? You can earn free money or gift cards by simply watching stuff on your phone. Now, you might not make as much money as you could with these make money online ideas or work from home jobs, but for doing some mindless video watching, you can make some great money. In fact, if you are serious about it, you can get paid upwards of $500 per month for watching videos and movies at home. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Get paid to watch ads and movie previews. $200 plus per month. Did you know you can earn points and get paid to watch ads, movie trailers, celebrity videos, news, and a plethora of other videos? It's just as simple as signing up to Inbox Dollar. They have plenty of other ways to get paid, but their video selection is great, and that's coming from me, a total couch potato. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, it gets better. When you sign up, you will earn a $5 sign-up bonus. To get started, you just select a playlist of videos to watch. These playlists range anywhere from a few minutes to up to a half hour, and you need to watch the entire playlist to get paid. Inbox Dollars will let you know how long a playlist will take ahead of time. This is great, so you are fully aware of how much time it'll take before you get started. You can earn PayPal cash or gift cards from Inbox Dollars, so the payout is quick and easy. This is a great side hustle you can do just about anywhere there is internet. If you don't have internet, there are plenty of ways to get free internet access. The potential to earn is $200 plus per month. You just have to put in the work. But the high income also comes with a high minimum payout of $30 if you spend plenty of time on Inbox Dollars, though you can reach that in no time. Number 2. Shopkick. Shopkick is an oldie but a goodie and another great way to make money watching videos. They've been around since 2010, so they've been a consistent moneymaker for over a decade now. Like many apps, you can use your spare time to watch videos and ads. You earn points for watching videos. Plus, you can use it like a cashback app when you shop online, similar to Ibotta, so you can redeem your points for PayPal money or gift cards. We saw that they had a few gift cards that surprised us. They have cards for the PlayStation Store and Uber, in addition to our favorites like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. 3. AdWallet. With AdWallet, you can get rewarded for watching videos from brands. They say that each interaction takes a few minutes and gets you around $3. They will send you a text when it's time to log in and watch a video. The minimum that you can earn per task is $0.50 and the maximum is $3. They have a minimum payout of $10, so you can cash out pretty quickly if you make time to watch videos. Choose whether to get paid via bank transfer or gift cards. Number 4. Fiverr. Why not offer a service on Fiverr to watch videos and get paid? You can earn extra income from all sorts of freelance jobs, and videos are one of them. There are many YouTubers and filmmakers looking for real feedback or even edits on their videos that you can offer. You can also start a service to help people improve their watch time and engagement on their growing YouTube channel. The options are endless when it comes to freelancing and being creative. Get out there and start earning that extra cash. You may also like flex jobs if you're interested in finding other freelance videographer jobs. Number 5. Nielsen Computer and Mobile. There's also another opportunity to earn money from watching videos with the Nielsen Company. If you join Nielsen Computer and Mobile, you can earn $50 a year for watching videos. It works differently from most of the other opportunities that we will be sharing, as with many of them, you will be watching the content that they want you to. With Nielsen Computer and Mobile, you will just be watching what you usually watch and sharing the browsing data with them. Another Nielsen opportunity. They certainly do spoil us with all of these ways to make money in our spare time. It's similar to the one above, since you'll be watching TV shows and telling them what you think of them, especially in entertainment value. You can also listen to the radio for extra cash too. You will need to be invited to one of their panels, a small group, and go from there. Number 6. Earn close to $100 watching videos and ads while you slack off at work. Now you can double your pays. Seriously, you can use a rewards site and get paid to watch videos while you are already at work. Swagbucks is also known as a paid survey company, but they also offer other ways to get paid, and you earn points to redeem for gift cards and cash. It's easy money for just watching videos, playing games, and other fun activities. You're not going to earn as much as Inbox Dollars, but there are many more categories to choose from, such as entertainment, travel, home, and more. Plus, Swagbucks has over 100 gift cards available for trade-in, and you only need a minimum payout of $10 to get your money. Since you might be at work or trying to multitask, here is a great hack. Open up the videos on a new tab in your browser, turn the sound off, and let them play in the background. You'll begin to earn money by watching videos or watching ads, without even having to watch them. After you set up an account, you can also download the Swagbucks mobile app and watch videos on your phone. Plus, don't forget to use them when shopping online so you can earn points. This is great because once you get them started, you can literally set your phone down and continue doing what you were doing: working, cooking, cleaning. Watching adverts for money is difficult, and you can do so many other things while watching. So what's holding you back? Begin to watch ads for money today. Number 7. Convert you points to real cash. Yep, yet another company that will pay you to watch video ads. MyPoints has a daily cap on videos you can watch, so you are going to make significantly less than the other two. But hey, free is free, and we all could use more gift cards, right? With MyPoints, there are a bunch of extra ways you can make money online, such as taking surveys, shopping online, reading emails, and searching the internet. Just like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, you'll earn points when you watch ads, and those points go towards gift cards or PayPal money. The minimum payout is only $3 for gift cards and $25 for PayPal. Number 8. Earn up to $30 per day watching movies with in-theater checks. Want some options that are more than watching video ads? How would you like to get paid to go to your local movie theater, collect some data, and watch a movie for free? Yes, you can really make $10 plus per hour from watching a movie, just by landing a part-time gig with Market Force Information. Theaters and movie studios want to collect data about the audience that attends their movie premieres. Things they are looking for include how many people buy tickets on opening day, what screen times are most popular, and what previews are being shown before the movie starts. The best way for them to collect this data is through third-party evaluators. This is where you come into play by becoming a movie premiere secret shopper, aka a theater checker. If you live in the US or Canada, then you are eligible. Also, the application is short, sweet, and easy to fill out. Once you get approved as a theater checker, you can make thousands of dollars at your home. This brings us to the end of the video. What do you think about our today's video? Share with us in the comment section below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about how you can get rich.